Ultimate luxury is awaiting you at Aspire Apartments. Gorgeously landscaped and accented with palms, gardens, benches, and fountains, this magnificent community provides the right open environment for everyone to enjoy, and that includes your pet friends. You'll love the variety of activities you can do. Take a leisurely walk along the paths, or gather friends and family for a meal prepared in the custom grilling areas, and spend some time in the outdoor lounges. The resort-style pool is heated and open year-round, fabulous for relaxing. Or you can swim some laps with 3 25-yard lanes. Our spot in Tracy is the best you can imagine. I-205 is right by your door, and you can walk to some of the best shopping and dining in the area. Come visit us at Aspire Apartments today and ask about our current lease specials.